Hello everyone, it's me Mehboob Islam in front of you. Today I would like to share some challenging things that we face during our journey and that makes our journey difficult and hard to learn this skill very well and very quickly. So today I would like to discuss this thing with you, and if you want I will try to solve this thing. How can I solve those problem? I will share those answer in the next video, but if you want then okay. So in this video I am just going to share that what kind of challenging I am facing, and I think that every beginner and every intermediate learner, they are facing this thing. So as you know that I am an English learner. Basically I have been learning English for the last 3 4 5 months. So okay, let's know what are those things that we basically make mistakes. Okay, so number one is that pronunciation. Yeah, I am facing this thing. Really, I have been facing this thing since my journey. Okay, when I started from that time, I have been facing this thing. Like my pronunciation, my accent, like my pronunciation, it's not good. I cannot pronounce all the word correctly and very clearly. So for this reason, I am facing this problem. So number one is that pronunciation. So we need to work on our pronunciation. So especially I am very weak in this challenging. It's very challenging. I am weak here. Okay. So number two is that vocabulary, vocab. Yeah, it's needed in our English journey, because with vocabulary we can make sentence, right? We can make for a long conversation with vocabulary. But if we don't know vocab, how can we express our thought? Also, like if you want to express your thought, you must have to know lots of vocabularies, right? So for this reason, try to learn every single day vocabulary. And I also weak in vocabulary. I am trying to learn, but I face many problems to memorize those things, to keep those things in my mind forever, for forever. So it's very challenging things, but also I am trying. So this is number two. And number three is that grammar. Yeah, if you are thinking that you need grammar to speak English, if you are trying to utilize tense, voice sense or any grammars in your speech, then you should not do this. Like if you are trying to maintain grammar while you are speaking, that time you will never become a fluent, and you will face lots of problem. Then this is not right direction, right? It's not right way to become a fluent English speaker. So if you want to become a fluent English speaker, you have to speak immediately and without thinking grammar. Okay, you have to speak English instantly, not by thinking grammar. So it's wrong thing, so try to fix this thing. Number four is that listening. Yeah, it's a very big problem. When we can't understand someone's speech, then how can we respond them? Like if someone asking me something or someone trying to make understand me, but I am not understanding him or her, that time it's very challenging to respond their speech or something, right? So try to listen every single day. It's very challenging things at the beginning time. At initially it's very hard to understand English lecture, English something. Okay, you can fix it by listening. You have to listen a lot. It's very important. Well, remember one thing, who are a good listener, they are a good speaker. Okay. Number five is that confidence in speaking. Yeah, as a beginner, as a new learner, they face a lot. Not only they, I face a lot every time. Whenever I go to speak professionally, that time I face this thing. Like I cannot say professionally, lacking of confidence. Okay, so I can't be confident. How can I say? How can I be confident? So this kind of challenging things are face as a new learner. I also have been facing this thing. So we have to overcome from this thing. Okay, so this is number one of thing that we face. Number six is that lack of practice environment. So as a villagers, I am from village. So as a villagers in our village, everyone is speaking Bengali, their native language, with their native language. But I am learning new language. As a new language, we need to a a kind of environment that I can involve with this environment, and I can learn this language very quickly and within short time, so as soon as possible. As a villagers, it's very tough to involve in a English environment, okay, but also you can involve in a English environment by practicing with your friends. So it's also very difficult to find friend practice partner to practice regularly. Okay, so this is the thing. It's kind of things we are facing, especially as a new learner. So and one of those things that consistency. It's also we face that if you are not consistent, if I not consistent, so I cannot be a good English speaker. So you have to be consistent for 1 year, for 2 years continuously. If you can't practice continuously next 6 months, definitely you can be a good English speaker. At least I am not saying that you will become very fluent, not like that. At least you will be able to make understand someone by your speech. Now, right now you are looking me as example. For example, me, I have been practicing English for the last 5 months. Okay, so at least I can understand you speak. I know that I makes lots of mistakes. Maybe in this video I made lots of mistakes, right? So I don't care about it. It's a very normal in a in a new learner. Okay, so they avoid this thing, and as new learner we face these challenging things, this kind of things we face. So we have to overcome from this problem, and that's it. Actually, I thought that okay, if I discuss about problem, that what kind of problem we face in our journey as a new learner, so it would be better for my audience. They can understand that what kind of problem we face. So that's it, and I am a new learner, and I am here to improve my spoken English, to improve my to catch my mistakes. When I record my video, I make lots of mistakes, and after that, I watch my video and I can catch my mistakes, and I upload this video on YouTube. I don't care about someone that like who uh, who say something bad about me. I don't care about it. Okay. So I'm just here to improve myself, improve my spoken English, and to help you as a learner and who want to learn spoken English like me beginner. Okay, also they can inspire by watching my videos. So if you like this video, share with your friends, share with your friends who learn to spoken English, and that's it. And if you love it, uh, give a thumbs up. So thank you.